Welcome to the video tutorial for door owners using Blackboard Transact, adding and removing a door override. From the desktop or your applications and programs, open Blackboard Transact. Log in with your username and password. Once logged into Blackboard Transact, make sure you have a merchant selected. Under your username on the top right, click the link next to Merchant and select the name of the merchant that owns the doors you would like to provide access to. Users will only see the option to select the merchants that they have been granted access to. If you do not see the merchant you need, you can request that the door owner grant you door manager privileges. In order to complete a door override, you need to be operating in the Transaction System Home. If you are not in Transaction System Home, you can click the link to Transaction System Home under the navigation column. Under the Customer column, click on the link Query For under Customer. Enter the individual's ID number or name, and then click on the Run Query button. Click Edit next to the individual's record to open the customer details screen. In the Plans section, click on the Door Access tab. Next, select the ellipsis under the Door Overrides to open the Edit Customer's Customer Door Overrides screen. You can assign an override by selecting Add by Grouping or Add Single Door. After each selection of either a door grouping or a single door, the Edit Customer's Door Override Property screen will pop up. Note, remember that you will only be able to see doors that are owned by the merchant you are in. If you need to assign overrides to various doors owned by multiple merchants, you will need to complete this process separately within the different merchants. If desired, you can select a start and stop date for this access. If you leave these fields blank, you will be granting access indefinitely. Click the ellipsis under the Permission Schedule box to open the Door State Schedule screen. Select the Door Permission Schedule. Typically, Allow All is selected, which allows the individual to use their ID card to access this door at any time. Click OK to return to the Edit Customer's Customer Door Override screen. Continue selecting doors or groups of doors until you have all the doors within that merchant that you would like to provide access to. When you are finished, click OK to return to the Customer Details screen and apply the door overrides. To remove a door override, repeat the previous steps. When you get to the Edit Customer's Customer Door Override screen, select the door override you want to remove and click Remove Overrides for selected doors. Click Yes when prompted to confirm the door override should now be removed from the list. Click OK to return to the Customer Details screen and apply the changes. For questions related to training, please contact the Office of Information Technology Instructional Technology Training Department at training@stedwards.edu. For technical support, please contact St. Edwards University Computer Help Desk at support@stedwards.edu or call 512-448-8443.